Hello, my name is Serge and this is LiveAlgarve Realty, and today we are in the Penina Hotel and Golf, the home of 3 championship golf courses, 6 restaurants, leisure and spa resort. We are only about 10 minutes to Lagos, maybe 3-4 minutes to Portimao, and about 7 minutes to Praia de Rocha, beautiful beaches. Airport is about 40 minutes, and this is very central location. The house behind me that we're presenting today is located on the outskirts of the golf course, secluded but yet accessible to the golf itself. So let's have a look-see. Welcome inside. So this magnificent property is built in 1988. It's composed of 5 bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, the plot of land of 2,200 square meters inserted into the golf course. And that is something. But when we step inside, we see this grand design, the architecture idea, where the light floats through the property seamlessly, exposing every bedroom and every division of the property. It looks really, really, really good. Now here in the main area where we are right now, we have access to 3 bedrooms downstairs and then 2 bedrooms on top, with a master suite. Fully equipped Mealy kitchen. Every appliances is Mealy in that kitchen. So, I mean, the owner spared no expense to keep it up to date and modernizing it throughout its life. I really like this property. So now that we covered the inside of the property, I'm welcoming you to the sunbathing area. Now, is that a big pool or what? And of course, every aspect of this property is built in mind of enjoying the golf lifestyle, but yet being covered or uncovered by the tall trees and pine trees. So the feeling I get here is that you stand in the middle of this terrace, you're sun exposed, and you probably can run naked here. Although I can see a golf course somewhere on the sides and little entrances of the green. And I think whoever built this property or whoever designed it had this special idea in mind, to be secluded yet available to the activities. I mean, it's just really, really cool. So it's a pity, but we are done. Thank you for taking this tour with us. I hope you enjoyed this property as much as I did. And as always, please subscribe to our channel and like this video, and go to our website and inquire now, because this exclusive property only with LiveAlgarve would not last. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.